Just making a quick little teardown video of a Aposonic analog security camera. And this is model ACDBI09S, and it's a NTSC camera. I was going to maybe try doing something with this, but it's not labeled what power supply is. It's probably 12 volt, but I decided I just don't care. So it's not going to do me any good since I use IP cameras, but I figured if anything, tear it apart. The back just has this little threaded strain relief that holds the cable on, and the front is a little cast aluminum ring. It threads off with a nice little piece of plastic with a silicone gasket to keep the water out. And then there's a metal ring that goes over the camera itself, which I'm assuming is to shield it from exposure from these infrared LEDs. There's two screws holding the PCB with the camera on it in. Also looks like there's a gasket that's kind of poorly mounted around the camera. I can't imagine there's going to be much in here. Oof, that was quite the firework. Even though this isn't going to be uploaded on the 4th of July, I recorded it on the 4th of July, so I think I have a couple weeks of backlog. So you'll see this in a month from now. Can't tell if they terminated this cable before or after they put the back cover on, or put the wires through. I don't think I'm going to be able to get those out. There we go, just had to pull harder. So there's the housing the camera was mounted in. Pretty extravagant considering, like, there's just this much PCB. They could have made that a lot more shallow and used less material. Knowing China though, this probably was like a shower head or something at one point. Oh God. Let's see here. I think I need a Phillips number 0. So it looks like the camera actually just goes through that top board that has all the LEDs and the gosh, it's been a while since I thought about the term of this. It's a light sensitive resistor. There's a proper term for it, but I'm drawing a blank. Alright, not quite. Thought I had it out. Pretty long screws. There we go. Yeah, the lens assembly just pokes through the front. A little bit of a foam gasket there. It doesn't appear to have any microphone, it's just video only. And there's the image sensor. Looks like I got some power regulation stuff around the top, along with, I'm assuming that's a quartz crystal from the way it looks. And then all the brains on the back side. Let's see if there's anything under that sticker. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it off. Without, oh, maybe it's going to come off nice. Sonics. I would assume that's the image processor. So, yeah, pretty straightforward. Definitely well built. I will give them that. Nice gaskets and stuff around everything, and it seems fairly watertight. But they just couldn't be bothered to label what the input voltage was, so it's not worth my time to mess with. But thanks for watching.